Sa mga kapaps, so for today's vlog is adik yan sa Niaga Park. Bali naghanap tayo ngayon ng model. Ayan, mga kapaps. Okay, let's go. Maghanap tayo. Ay mga paps, ayun mga paps, may nahanap na tayo dito sa tabi. Ganda ng outfit niya, ay mga paps. Try natin kung papayag siya maging model. Ate.
My name is Eleanor. Yes.
Hello, okay lang maging model?
Oh, sure. Pero haggard ako na. We've been playing. Pero okay na.
You speaking English or Tagalog?
I can understand naman Tagalog. Pero English lang. So, having a photo shoot? Yeah, I guess.
Where are you from?
I'm just from here.
Just from here in Caballo.
Yes.
You are fit like?
Yeah, I like dressing up.
Dressing outfit. Yeah. Like, what? Tawag doon.
Pwede ka man magwaray or Tagalog?
Pwede magwaray.
Pinahirapan mo, sorry.
May nose is bleeding.
Dapat ko magwaray.
Anong pangalan ni ate?
Eleanor.
Eleanor, shout out kay Eleanor.
Oh, you're recording this?
Yeah,
okay.
I was vlogging.
Okay.
Vlogger. Then,
where do you, hand ka po mag...
you have very
yes, a little bit. I'm a cosplayer.
Yeah, I'm a cosplayer, right? Yeah. Anything you want, of course. Yeah. Let's try one.
어느새 얼굴이 화끈거리고 행동 하나하나가 조심스러워지는데 넌 어때?
언제부터 난 너밖에 안 보여 어느새 내 맘을 숨길 수 없고 너의 하나하나가 사랑스러워지는데 난 어때?